Need a water?
What?
You need a water?
No, I'm good. I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah, fine.
All right. Straight on down. That's what I mean. I don't know why I took the worst direction. Alright. So we're starting from Latonia, going into Washingtonville. And well, yeah, despite that enough, the trail has more hills than the road. Always keep it wide. Always. Seven miles back. Privacy, I'm not gonna. Should be pretty smooth the rest of the way. I've been here before and through all of it. Alright, I'm back, everyone. We're gonna watch the train go by. Alright, took long enough. The train's finally on its way, so here it comes. Get our freight. It's all of our freight. Let's get that freight to Salem. Bye bye. Cool. This thing doesn't feel right. Keeps screwed on right. Loose. I'm not sitting on that bench again. Had bad experiences on that. But I know a place with a lot of shade and I'm about to witness it. You'll get to witness a beauty. Yep. There it is. It's that rooster. There's a farm back there. Yay, a mile. There's no turning back now. I still got 4 more miles to go. Yeah, I did more than 1 mile, of course. Went all the way to Washingtonville, back to Latonia, and it looks like all I had across this busy road. But this road, so if there is a car coming up behind you, you're on to the side, okay? That's legal. You can ride with traffic. This road usually isn't too bad.
Not like one's coming from the right.
Yeah, not bad. There was no vehicles at all. Same with last time. Room to get that. This thing wouldn't speed up fast enough. It's not electric. It's just a normal plain bike. Not any cheaper than a electric bike, but it doesn't matter. Save 200 bucks maybe. I like to be doing the workout movement. When you're actually doing the work, you're actually getting exercise. What's the point of getting an electric bike? Okay, maybe transportation. That's it. But those batteries die fast. I believe it's called Lisbon Road. I may be wrong. This is where the pavilion is. Love this pavilion. That's where the shade is. Waiting on them. Now, yeah, you're probably asking, why the hell did you not go in that pavilion? Well, there's no stopping now. Might as well keep going. There's benches up ahead. I'm gonna find some shade. I'm not good with introductions. I didn't give you a good slap. So, yeah, I didn't start out this video, which I'm not getting to then. I'm just going to mile marker 5, right on Eagleton Road, Tea Garden. That's where I'm gonna be. You can look the whole trail up, Little Beaver Creek Greenway. Probably put it in the description, but this gives me a little hill. Yeah, that sign is vivid. Oh, here's some more folks. See what they're up to. I don't know if this kind of goes downhill. It's easy to pedal. Right here would be a great place to stop. The camera's gonna go dead. I'll see you in the next clip. Just got back from the same place that I was before and get more of the beautiful scenery on camera. Cause why not? If it dies, it dies. But I'm trying to preserve the battery life. Oh, look at that. Look at that beauty. I'm by the transporters, that means I'm getting closer. Jogging. Need water?
What?
Need water?
No, I'm good. I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm fine.
All right. I wasn't trying to scare the man. I was simply offering him a water. Good adjust your instincts. Yeah, this thing in my head. Nothing is stopping them. Alright. I should have never done that. Yeah, who just walks up to someone with a GoPro strapped to their head and asks someone if they need one? Think logically. I mean, who does that? We're about to go under 45. This route cuts between Lisbon, goes up to Glasgow, takes you down to Interstate 11. Yeah, 45, that goes all the way down in between Canfield and Salem, towards like Salem Heights. It's weird how the trail's kind of in between the trees. Okay, 6.5. The rest is supposedly smooth. I bet he saw this thing was blinking red, recording. That scared him, scared out of his mind. Gosh. Yeah, that was probably the stupidest thing I've ever done. Nothing wrong with being nice, offering him water. It's either he didn't want to be recorded or he thought I was gonna the water. So that's why he got so spooked. I probably would have went running. You never know anyone's intentions. Just a mile away. I'm getting down to Tea Garden. Nice little farm.